Tell me the correct or answer from the given alternatives. The calls of young seagull's parents were sweet or low or indifferent or shrill.
Shrill.
The previous day, the young seagull did not respond to his parents' call because he had to risk his life then, or his brother forbade him to fly, or he was not interested to catch fish, or he did not love his parents.
He had to risk his life then.
The young seagull had one brother and one sister, or two brothers and one sister, or one brother and two sisters, or two brothers and two sisters.
Two brothers and one sister.
When the older brother caught the fish, his parents were sleeping, or proud, or sitting, or watching.
Proud.
The young seagull's brother and sister were taught the art of flying by their parents, or a good trainer, or a herring, or the young seagull.
Their parents.
The young seagull's older brother caught his first herring, or goldfish, or quillfish, or salmon.
Herring.
The young seagull had not eaten since the previous nightfall because he had a stomach problem, or his parents forbade him to take food, or he felt depressed, or there was no food in the nest.
There was no food in the nest.
The young seagull was starving for 2 days, or for a long time, or from his birth, or from the previous night.
From the previous night.
The young seagull felt the heat of the sun more because he was hungry, or it was the hottest day of the year, or the sun was blazing warmly, or he did not have much feathers on his back.
He was hungry.
The back of the young seagull's father was grey, or black, or white, or mixed.
White.
Good.
জয় হিন্দ, জয় ভারত, ওম শান্তি।
ছাত্র ছাত্রীদের উৎসাহিত করার জন্য এই ভিডিওটা বেশি বেশি করে শেয়ার এবং লাইক করুন। এনার জন্য একটা হাততালি হয়ে যায়।